Hey, it's time for another Market Match Marketing Minute. You ready? Let's go. Now, what does a 1,000-pound gorilla do? Anything it darn well pleases, right? Today we're going to talk about the evolution of guerrilla marketing. No, not this guerrilla marketing. This guerrilla marketing, the kind that gets people talking. Now, in guerrilla marketing in any form, you want to keep three things in mind. You want to be unexpected or unconventional. You often want to be interactive, and you want to target consumers in unexpected places. Ultimately, you want to create a unique, engaging message that will generate buzz in the community. What's this about the evolution of guerrilla marketing? Social networking is the latest evolution of guerrilla marketing. Think beyond your Facebook and Twitter accounts. So, when doing social media, be unconventional. Have fun and add value. You want to be interactive and you want to target people in unique places. Tools like Foursquare are ideal for this. Ultimately, you want to have that engaging message to generate the buzz in the community. The right social media strategy can help you be the 1,000-pound gorilla in your market. Thank you. This has been another Market Match Marketing Minute.